Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue, how to reset an LG TV when you don't have the remote handy. Whether you've lost your remote or it's simply not functioning, don't worry, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right into it. The good news is, you can still reset your LG TV without a remote. Here are a few methods you can try. Method 1. Using the buttons on the TV. 1. Most LG TVs come with physical buttons located either on the side or at the bottom of the TV. Look for the Settings button, which is usually represented by a gear icon. 2. Press and hold the Settings button for a few seconds until a menu appears on the screen. 3. Navigate through the menu using the directional buttons, usually located near the Settings button. Look for the All Settings option, which will give you access to the reset options. 4. Once you found the reset options, select Reset or Factory Reset, depending on your TV model. 5. Confirm the reset and wait for your TV to restart. Voila! Your LG TV has been reset without needing a remote. Method 2. Using the LG ThinQ app. 1. Another way to reset your LG TV without a remote is by using the LG ThinQ app, which allows you to control your TV from your smartphone. 2. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, make sure your TV and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. 3. Open the LG ThinQ app and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, you should be able to find the reset options similar to the ones we discussed earlier. 4. Select the reset option, confirm, and wait for your TV to reset. Easy, right? Conclusion, and there you have it. 2 simple methods to reset your LG TV without a remote. Whether you prefer using the physical buttons on the TV or the convenience of your smartphone, resetting your LG TV is a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy resetting.